How to download MP3 music from YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you could do exactly that. So let's just jump right into it. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser on your PC and then simply search for youtube.com. Once you hit youtube.com, make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, simply tap on the profile icon at the top right. From here, what you can do is simply go ahead and open up your YouTube Studio. And once your YouTube Creator Studio is open, you'll find different kind of option on the left hand of your screen. You'll see your channel dashboard and you'll find your channel settings as well. Now on the left side, you have different tabs. Just scroll down and here you'll find your audio library. Just click on audio library and then from here, you should be able to get a list of free copyright free music that you can easily download. So you can just go ahead and play it. And if you like the music, you can just go to the right side and then click on this download option, and it will start downloading to your library from here. You can use this song anywhere you want without any worry about copyright. So that's how you can download MP3 music off of YouTube. If this tutorial was helpful to you, be sure to hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.